In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a featured image on Medium. If you want your Medium story to look more polished and clickable, adding a featured image is a simple but important step. This is the image that can represent your post more effectively when it appears in previews and across Medium's interface. The key thing to know is that Medium only lets you choose a featured image from images that are already placed inside your story. So you'll need to upload the image into the article first before you can set it. To begin, open your story in Medium's editor and make sure the image you want to use is already inserted somewhere in the post. If it isn't there yet, go ahead and upload it into the body of your story first. It doesn't have to stay in a prominent spot forever, but it does need to exist inside the story, so Medium can recognize it as an available option. This is a good time to make sure the image looks clear, relevant, and properly sized, since it will help shape the first impression readers get. Once the image is inside the story, click on that image to select it. After it's selected, press Shift and F on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut tells Medium to use the selected image as the featured image for the post. It's a very quick method, and if you already know which image you want to feature, this is usually the fastest way to do it. There's also another way to choose the featured image if you prefer using the on-screen options. Near the Publish button, Medium provides an image picker prompt that lets you choose your preferred image from the ones available in the story. If using keyboard shortcuts isn't your style, this method can feel a little more visual and straightforward. Just open that image picker and select the image you want to use as the featured one. A helpful tip here is to choose an image that matches the topic of your article and still looks good when cropped or shown as a thumbnail. Featured images often appear in smaller preview formats, so simple, clean visuals tend to work best. And that's it. Upload an image inside your Medium story, select it, then either press Shift plus F or choose it through the image picker near Publish. Once you do that, your story will have a featured image set and be ready to make a stronger visual impression.